Hi guys, Kayla here at Rich & Sons. So for today's camping tip, I'm actually going to be going over a couple different things when it comes to your outdoor refrigerators. So in most cases, you look at it, you think they're fully bolted down. So of course, if it starts to get frosted over, ice starts, adding up because, with mini fridges, it does happen to do that every now and then with the freezer. So when you go to actually thaw it out, you're gonna have them both plugged in, or one of them at least, plugged in the compartment here. So you will unplug it, and then you can actually just push it backwards. There's just a couple little deals on the bottom here that just hold it from sliding forward and out. And then you can actually just lift it out of that compartment. So then when you are thawing it out, all you have to do is leave the ledge over the side of the compartment door here, and then that water's going to go on the outside of the camper instead of on the inside. So that's going to definitely help prevent any future water damage, especially when you have a refrigerator on the outside. So stay tuned for more camping tips from the rest of our team.